This house is really amazing. So as you know guys, the weather here in Norway can be really cold during winter. I bought my capsule house from Aviola company way before winter. I'm glad that I bought it before winter. They customized the house to European standards for me. They made the windows triple glazed for better insulation. It comes with 2 factory-installed air conditioners, floor heating system. It also has a lovely kitchen with a factory-installed cooker and other fixtures. The bathroom is literally from a 5-star hotel. Then there is the living room and the bedroom. I didn't need to do any decorations when the house arrived.